Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I still get people looking for this video I made some time ago. They got a cassette tape adapter modification that people do so they can plug little cords, headphone 3.5 millimeter cords into their phone or their MP3 player or whatever, and then that's wired. The video and the write-ups show you how to wire that into your cassette player in your car. Man, don't do that. I did that a few years back, and I started having problems when my phone would briefly pause between songs. It would make the radio think that the signal was lost, and then I would hear a little click, it kind of powering down, and then a second or two later the MP3 player or the phone would start playing the next song, and then it would activate my stereo, and pow! Man, it was a loud pop. I think it was potentially damaging speakers if you had the volume up loud enough. So I got to where when the song was going off, I would turn the stereo down so it could go through that popping and then turn it back up. That's just a hassle. So I quit using it. I quit doing the mod. I don't know if the new devices will do that to it or not. However, so I locked up the video. I had somebody contact me the other day, asked me to unlock it. But I started using cassette adapters. I would go through one a month, one every other month. They're cheap, $5 at Walmart, whatever. And then I would try to find better ones for $10, $15. But I ran across this little adapter here. It's Case Logic. It's a cassette Bluetooth adapter that allows you to Bluetooth your phone to this adapter. You turn the power on, it's got a little button there, and it's got a little light down here. You squeeze the little button, the little lights come on. It's flashing, letting you know it's ready to be synchronized. I don't know what you call it, connected to your device. And when it loses connection to your device, say you get out of the car, you walk away, you break the Bluetooth range, it starts doing this again, letting you know that it's not connected to the Bluetooth device. And you can see that when it's in the cassette player. That thing will shut itself down after a few minutes. I don't know how long it is. We can sit here and watch it. Anyway, so you can Bluetooth your phone. Whatever you do on your phone, you could hear it through your car stereo if you got a cassette player working. Much better, in my opinion, than having that wired in your stereo. I know it cost me maybe $18, $19. I got mine at Walmart. They probably got good ones or better ones somewhere else. The thing lasts, when it's fully charged, about 9 hours. Sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. I'm not sure why, but a good solid 9 hours. And when it is about to die, it'll start beeping or clicking in your system to let you know it's about to die. You glance down at it and you see it's flashing a red light on it to let you know it's about to die, and it's going to die within 2 or 3 minutes. You put it on the charger. In my cigarette lighter adapter charger Bluetooth thing, it charges up. I think it's 2.5 amps or something it's putting out. It charges up in about, I think I've seen it charge up as quick as 35 minutes. Maybe 38 minutes, I think it's fully charged. So charges up pretty quick, lasts a long time. Much better thing to use than wiring in that MP3 blue cable soldering into your cassette deck. And then you can take it to other devices. I've had this thing at least 6 months. I meant to do a review on it. It's been great. No complaints at all. Sound quality is decent. as good or better than a radio. It's just the way to go. So that's my take on that. Let me have my coffee and get to work. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.